Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the PayPal error saying we stopped this payment to keep you safe and how to complete your transaction. First, this message usually appears when PayPal's security system detects something unusual, like a new device, different location, or a risky payment pattern. To fix this, start by confirming your identity. Log into your PayPal account and check if there are any alerts or steps in the Resolution Center. Next, make sure your account information is fully updated, including your phone number, email, and linked bank or card. Incomplete details can trigger payment blocks. Try making the payment again using a trusted device and secure internet connection, preferably your home Wi-Fi. Also, avoid using VPN or proxy services, as they can cause security flags. If the issue continues, switch your payment method, like using a different card or bank account, and try again. You can also wait for 24 hours before retrying, as temporary blocks often get lifted automatically. If nothing works, contact PayPal support for further verification. And that's how you can fix this issue and complete your PayPal payment safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.